Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer the question, what qualifies as abuse for the purpose of a protective order? We'll first talk about what a protective order is and why the definition of abuse is important. So a protective order is a court order that can use any sort of remedy within the discretion of the court to prevent future domestic abuse by a previous domestic abuser. So it can be a stay-away order requiring a domestic abuser to stay a certain distance away from the protected party. It can require them to change their work, change their school. If they go to work or school with the protected party, it can require them to not own firearms. It can require them to seek counseling. It can also turn over a shared residence to the protected party or impact child custody. So there's a lot of different remedies. But the idea is that it's supposed to be preventing a previous domestic abuser from committing future domestic abuse. So let's talk about what domestic abuse is. The first part of that is domestic. So there's certain special types of relationships that you have to have between the protected party and the abuser in order to qualify for a protective order. There's other different types of restraining orders that you may be able to get if you aren't in a domestic relationship. But for the purposes of a protective order, which has this broad range of remedies, you have to have this domestic type relationship. That might be spouse, ex-spouse, a parent-child relationship, a household member or previous household member, or an intimate relationship, which can be broadly defined, and it might include a dating relationship or a physical relationship or a previous dating or physical relationship. So if you have the domestic part of domestic abuse, you have to show that abuse happened in the past. And that's the second step to getting a protective order. Abuse is also a broad term and isn't limited just to physical injury. It does include physical contact that injures or is meant to injure, but it also includes threatening actions with a weapon, unwanted sexual activity, or threats along with the imminent ability to carry out that threat. So verbal abuse in Iowa does not constitute abuse for the purpose of getting a protective order. Neither does verbal harassment. It has to be a threat with the imminent ability to carry out that threat or some actual physical touching or unwanted sexual activity. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.